Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to open BIOS in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. To get enter in BIOS, we have to click on start button, then you will find the option as power button. Click here, and before we hit on restart, we have to hold left shift key, and by holding left shift key you have to hit on restart. And once you done that, you will get this kind of screen where your PC is now restarting, and after some time this kind of window will pop up. Here we have to hit on troubleshoot, then you will get two options. First one is reset this PC and the second one is for advanced options. We have to click on advanced options. Once you click there, here we have to find for the option called as uefi firmware settings, and here it is. Now click here. As you can see, we are now getting option as restart. Just click here now. Once your PC done with restarting, you will get to see BIOS of your PC. So this is the first way which you can try, and if it doesn't work, you can try the second one. And in the second way, you must have seen before we start our PC, we get the company name of our motherboard, and there you may see some kind of note, and just read that. Then you will find that there is a specific key to enter in BIOS, and in my PC it is a delete key. So if I hit delete key on this specific screen, I will get into my BIOS. So these are two steps you can get into BIOS. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.